what's up guys? So today's video we're just going to do a quick recap on what's done to the truck and where we're at with the channel and what our future plans are for the truck and the channel and whatnot. So first off, I'm going to get this truck cleaned up and I want to show you just a small thing too. Alright, so let's get this girl all cleaned up. She's filthy as hell from the last few storms that I've been rolling through. I don't know if that's salt or dirt or what it is, but there was basically an ice storm, so I was rolling around in the ice storm on these 305 summer tires, which obviously is not a smart idea, but wasn't to be expected because I'm not in my usual territory. Normally California wouldn't see these conditions, but let's get her washed up here. It looks like it's not going to rain for now, so let's clean it up. She is all clean finally, so I want to go ahead and show you guys this thing that I use. If you guys haven't seen it before, I can get it out here. One of these things. It's called the absorber. This thing is friggin' incredible. It soaks up so much damn water. Works way better than a chamois. They're like $8 or something like that at Walmart. But if you guys haven't seen one of these or tried one of these, you guys are missing the hell out. Oh shit, where the hell did that thing go? Hold on a second. But yeah, you guys need to try this thing. You can sit there and it'll absorb so much water without even having to wring it out. Let's see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Here's all this water. In like one pass and it all just disappears. So I know you guys say, oh, it's probably like a chamois, but this thing is, you can pretty much do half the truck without having to wring this thing out. So you guys should check one of these things out. It saves you so much time and it comes out awesome when you're drying. So, but let's see if I'm lying about the half a truck statement here. So still haven't had to wring it out. Look, it's still not leaving water streaks yet. So it's pretty damn close to being able to dry half the truck. Not bad. Check out how much water this thing holds. Not bad. Alright, next comes the fun part about owning these wheels and having to clean every single spoke of the damn clock. Alright, last step of this whole process is get some damn tire shine on there. So this is the one I've been using. I've used a few different ones. This one's alright though. So the truck is clean. I know it's not too exciting, but that's basically just the process I go through to clean this thing. And a couple other things. So right now, I guess for those of you that are following along, I have I'm trying out some badges that are going to come along. I know my truck's mostly debadged, but I'm getting the black Hemi 5.7 liter badges. So they're basically all black, and then it says 5.7 liter. Yeah, it just says 5.7 liter in red, but the rest of the Hemi part's all black. So I got those on the way, so I'm gonna show you guys those when they show up, because they're pretty inexpensive, so hopefully they're decent quality. But if they're not, again, I can send them back because it's Amazon and I'm just messing around. So that stuff's on the way. The other thing too is I'm getting a catch can for the truck. So those of you guys that are have been in the scene as far as the Dodge Ram stuff, a lot of guys with the Hemis, whether it's the Charger, the Rams, they all suggest getting a catch can. So I have one of those that's on its way, and I want to show you guys it because a lot of people spend way too much money on catch cans on these vehicles. And the one that I have on the way is, I don't know what the deal is, but if you go on eBay, basically you can get the expensive one that most people are running, and I don't want to name the name, but basically it's the really popular one that everyone's running. It's all billet. It's a good quality, but it's the exact same thing except it just doesn't have a name printed on it. So I don't know what the situation is there, but I'll show you guys where I picked that up from and how to install it, and then obviously we'll do a review as time goes on and the miles go on, and see how much that thing's actually working or catching. So that thing's on the way. As far as the truck itself, I've owned it for about a year now, so I might do a video specifically on that, but I've owned it for about a year. I've put 15,000 miles on it in that year, and I haven't had any issues, knock on wood. So no check engine lights, nothing really, to be honest. I mean, just small stuff like you guys saw that other video with the switch. Switch was acting up. I don't think there's really been anything else I've had to fix. I mean, there's some stuff that, you know, lights that are on the dash right now from just stuff I've done. These 24s right now don't have the tire pressure sensors in them. I have to swap them over for my old wheels. So that's the one thing I have to attend to. And other than that, me just messing around with some bulbs. So some of the other videos that you guys watched, the backup bulbs that I put in, the LED ones, they didn't have enough load on the circuit, so they threw the light on the dash. So that's one light that I have. Another light I have is just basically the reverse bulbs too, or not the reverse, but the running ones, the ones that go next to the license plate. Those ones too, sometimes they'll throw the light, sometimes they won't. But those ones, again, were supposed to be CAN bus compatible, but here we are with a light on the dash, so no big deal. But yeah, I mean, this truck, even though it's 2014, it has high miles on it and still no issues. So I mean, I'm just turning 104,000 miles on this thing, so it's getting up there. I mean, I know it's still young. The last one, the 2009 I had over 200,000 miles when I sold it to the next guy, and that thing is still up and running. So these things are definitely good trucks. I know there was, I think 2011 or something like that, or 2012's had some issues with some camshafts and whatnot, but this one seems to be solid. The 2009 that I had was solid, so I think we're on the right path. But let me know what other stuff you guys want to see, whether it's just messing around or more talking stuff. But I think we got some good content coming, and so far you guys have been happy with some of the stuff that I've been doing, so appreciate all the following and feedback, and let's keep it going and go from there. So this is just a quick video I want to make for today. I know there's not much going on, but I have some stuff, like I said, that stuff's coming and shipping, so I should have those videos out shortly within the next few days. But let me know if you guys like this video, and just I'm talking and stuff like that, and see if we can get some conversations going. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.